Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to enable dark mode on Weverse in 2025. If you're a fan of K-pop and spend hours on the app, dark mode is a game changer. It's easier on your eyes, especially at night, and it can even save battery life on your device. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Weverse app installed. Head to your app store, search for Weverse, and update it if needed. This ensures you have access to the newest features. Step 1. Open the Weverse app on your smartphone or tablet. You'll land on the home screen with all your favorite artist updates. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner or at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up your account options. Step 3. Look for the Settings or Preferences menu. It's often represented by a gear icon. Give it a tap to enter. Step 4. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Appearance, Theme, or Display section. This is where the magic happens. Step 5. You'll see options for light mode, dark mode, or sometimes an auto setting. Simply select Dark Mode and confirm if prompted. Step 6. Exit the settings, and bam! Your Weverse app should now be in dark mode. Go ahead and navigate around to see the difference. If dark mode isn't showing up, it could be due to your device settings or an older app version. Try restarting the app or checking Weverse's official help page for updates. That's all for this quick guide. Dark mode makes browsing so much more comfortable, right? If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.